Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about bug out bags. And I want to know, do you have one? And what's inside of it? In the comment section, let me know. Just give me a general idea of what you have inside your bug out bag. And if you have one. Yeah, we have our bug out bags, okay, they are ready, okay, but we have no plan on bugging out. Do we have a plan? If we have to, yeah, but we have no desire to bug out, okay. If we do have to bug out, we do have a place to go. So, you know, we do know how to get there. We could get there with our eyes closed if we had to. You know, so there's no need for, you know, trying to figure out a way on how to get there with a road map and stuff like that. But if you have to get maps, okay? I don't know how easy they are to find, though. That's the thing, because everything is GPS now, you know. But I wanted to go ahead and share with you my bug out bag. And I want you to share with me your bug out bag, okay? Now, my bug out bag is in my son's bag. This is from when he was in the Young Marines. I had purchased this bag for him at a Army surplus store. I think I had gotten it for like $2 or $3 because when he was in the Young Marines, he was constantly going on like retreats and things like that for 2 weeks at a time. So he was able to actually fit 2 weeks worth of clothes and supplies in this bag. Do I have 2 weeks worth in here? No, I don't. But I do have enough in here to last me about, you know, 2 days worth to get me to where I have to go if I have to leave. So, and our bug out location is extremely secure. It is out in the middle of nowhere, which is where I want to be anyway. And yeah, I mean, it's pet friendly. It's a relative's house. I'm not going to tell you exactly where because I'm not doing that. Sorry, not sorry. So anyway, let's get into it. We've got 3 pockets here in the front, okay, and in these pockets, they're just little snaps, okay. In these pockets, I've got a bottle of water, and I've got some wipes here, okay. Now, you can wash your body down with those, and you can also take care of your private areas, all right. And this one, I've got my nice trusty flashlight. I've got 3 hair ties because my hair, you know. I've got some hand sanitizer. And I've also got this. Now, this was my grandfather's. This is very old, and it's very sturdy. It's made out of wood. This is actually a letter opener, and it is very sharp. Extremely sharp. So if I have to, I can defend myself with this. Or I can actually put my hair up with this as well. Okay, and in this pocket here, I have another bottle of water, and I have a coffee mug that also is a carabiner. Now, I do not have any other weapons in this bag because Sean's bug out bag has that in there. And no, I will not show you our weapons because That's not what this channel is all about, okay? I am not going to show you anything like that because in case there is someone under the age of 18 watching this video, I do not want them to get any ideas, okay? As a mom, no. Sorry, not sorry. I am not going to promote that, okay? Now, also in my bug out bag, I have my little tiny grill that I showed you in a previous video. You know, that is it's a little wood stove type thing, okay? And I love this darn thing. I think it's the most usable thing I think I've ever really purchased. I don't know, I really love this thing. I have a blanket. No, I did not buy Mylar blankets. I like to be as frugal as I possibly can and use what is around my house. So, you know, this was already in my linen closet, so I'm using what I already have, okay? Now, here is my hygiene bag, and I will show you what's in the hygiene bag. We have a first aid kit. I also added a few little things to my first aid kit. There's burn ointment, okay, stuff like that in there. Toothbrush. Yes, I am spoiled to this particular toothbrush, so please don't come at me. Soap. Some body wash. Tylenol. It's a must-have. Some shampoo. Toothpaste. Floss. And these things, I'm just going to... I have some Orajel, okay, because if you're anything like me, the slightest tinge of a toothache will literally put you down on your hiney and you will be incapacitated forever. I mean, it's like, you know, I can't even go there right now. Thank God for a dental plan. No kidding. Now here are some other wipes. These are flushable wipes, okay, but these are all nice to have. You know, I can't express how much these are required in a bug out bag, for shtf, for anything, even in everyday life. Flushable wipes, okay, I cannot express to you. Okay, now these I always have on hand, because these have literally, I don't ever get cold sores, but people that I do know do get them, and it's like, you know, from what I understand, they're very painful, very painful. And then facial cleansing wipes. So, very important to have. I'm very big on my skin, so I've been, you know, one lucky girl when I say I've never had to worry about breakouts. Hello, Capone. How are you? Hi, pretty kitty. Did you come up to say hi? Did you come up to say hi? Hi, Penelope Janine. Hi, Mommy's girl. What? Okay, now I have a little bit of food in here. We've got some mac and cheese, some ramen, granola, some payday bars. The reason why I like these is because the peanuts, you know, protein, okay, and some soup. And then, of course, I have a change of clothes and everything is rolled up into a pair of jeans, okay? So this, it's an invasion of the kitties. So anyway, this is just, you know, a little bit of what I have in my bug out bag. Sean has his own. I'm not going to drag his out because his is more detailed. It's got, you know, more in it. Like I said, he has the pew-pews in it and, you know, things like that. And I'm not going to drag those out. I'm not going to show those on camera. You know, like I said, family friendly. I'm not doing that, okay? If you want to see that kind of stuff, you know, I'm sure there's other people that will proudly show their things on camera, but I will not. Anyways, Patches, what is the meaning? SOS, send help. Okay. There is not a bag that she will not find her way into. Like she laid down. I will be shortly doing a video on a pet bug out bag, but you know, that is going to be extremely detailed only because it will, if we do ever have to bug out, it's going to be extremely difficult for us. Because please keep in mind, you know, we do rescue and foster. So right now we have 8 cats and 3 dogs. Can you imagine? Okay. That's why I do, you know, yeah, when we order from Chewy, we get the big 50-pound bags of food, you know, the 40-pound bags of litter and stuff like that. But like when I find coupons, I'll buy like the smaller bags of cat food and dog food and stuff like that. And that's what would be going into the bug out bags. But, you know, to put Penelope and Ridley and Jouette on, you know, put their harnesses on and put leashes on them, that's one thing. But with the cats, try and wrangle these guys, all 8 of them, and, you know, 8 kennels or 1 big kennel. Because we have a problem child in the house, and his name is Stormy. Yeah, he's the only male cat amongst 7 females. And he tries to be a Lothario. So, and they're all fixed, but he still thinks that, you know, that his junk works. But anyway, so, you know, that's going to be a difficult situation if it ever arises. So, yeah, Stormy, you see, he's already acting up. Stormy! Son of a bitch. He stalks the girls, and then he, like, tries to plan an attack. He's a little, God help us. He's like a little terrorist in this house. So, I will try and, you know, show you what our plan is with them. But, you know, we don't even have a kennel that is big enough to put 8 cats in. Because we honestly have no plan on bugging out. You know, I mean, that is a very, very, very last resort. And I'm being honest with you. I will never leave this home unless it's on fire. And I'm not kidding. You know, the one good thing about where we had our house built, we're not in a flood zone. So, you know, we don't have to ever worry about that. Now, if there's chaos and riots and looting, you know, if that ever were to come to this area, which I don't see that ever happening because our sheriff is, he's a good old boy. You know, that just won't ever happen here. Pray to God that it never happens. But I'm going to say it, okay, and agree disagree. I don't care. We are not a Democratic run city, state, town. My county. So, anywho, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. I love you, and that's all. Okay. So let me know what you got in your bug out bag if you have one. Because remember, being a prepper is also a state of mind. It's not just what you got, okay? And if you don't have a bug out bag because you have no plans of bugging out, more power to you. Because guess what? I have no plans of bugging out either. But we have our small little bug out bags for just in case, because you never know, okay? But yeah, being a prepper is a state of mind, okay? Stockpile food, absolutely. Because with the state of this country, if you know who gets in, we're screwed. And I'm trying to be nice. Yeah. All right. I love you. See you later. Alligator. Bye.